Let's learn how to play Ode to Joy. If we look at the music, the first four measures and the second four measures have the same rhythm. That's pretty cool. Measure number 4 and measure number 8 is a dotted quarter, an eighth note, and a half note. Ba, 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 ba. That's what makes it sound catchy. And the first three measures are just quarter notes. So we could think the first four measures as the A section and the second four measures as the A section with two different notes. Let me play that example. That's very catchy, I think. The next four measures we could call the B section. It's different from the A section because it has a few different notes and a few different rhythms. The first measure is a quarter notes, and then we have a different rhythm altogether in measure 10 and measure 11. Check it out. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. One different pitch, but the same rhythm. Makes it easy to remember and also makes it catchy. Let me play the B section. 4 measures from measure 9 to measure 12. Uh-oh, we have a new note, don't we? This is low F. On the trombone, on 6th position is low F, just like C. That's C. And that's F. We have to make sure when we play low F that we play with a big open sound and not a tight sound. Be careful not to clench your jaw and try to open up your mouth a little bit, just like you're trying to yell across the street. That's a special note, and it's easy to get. Remember, for each note on the trombone, we have to aim carefully, and that is when you want to aim low for. And of course, the last 4 measures are very similar to the first 4 measures, and we'll call that the A section as well. And the last measure has the dotted quarter, eighth note, half note rhythm. Ba, ba, ba. Again, making it a recognizable melody and very catchy. And now I'm going to play Ode to Joy. Why don't you play along with me? I'm going to play Ode to Joy now, an octave higher. You may not know these notes, but you will, and I want to give you something to strive for.